Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy low bun hairstyle in less than 2 minutes. To start, we've left some hair out to frame the face, and then we're just going to pop the hair into a low ponytail. Pull that elastic band down a little to loosen things up and make a hole just above it. Pop a couple of fingers through the hole facing downwards, grab hold of that ponytail and pull it up and through the hole. Next, we're going to divide that ponytail in half. And working on that right hand side, we're just going to do a simple 3-strand braid and then tie it off with a clear elastic band. Then just repeat the 3-strand braid on the left hand side. Now, taking hold of that right hand braid, I'm going to wrap it around a couple of fingers and then just keep rolling it down until it meets the head. And then just pin it at the nape of the neck all of the way round using as many bobby pins as needed. Then repeat on the left hand side. So wrap it around a couple of fingers to get you started and then keep rolling until it sits next to the other braid. Again, pin all the way round the outside of that little bun. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.